Alright guys, want to hide apps on your Poco X8 Pro Max? No need to overthink it. There's a quick and simple way to keep your apps private. Stay with the steps you see on your screen and hide apps easily without any hassle. If this helped you out, drop a like and subscribe for more quick fixes. Let's get into it.